The Economic Opportunity Planning Association of Greater Toledo is once again hosting a reverse job fair. You'll remember they did this last year, and here with the details is Tiffany Reynolds. Tiffany, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, this is huge. Tell us what a reverse job fair is to start off.
Good question. A reverse job fair is when the actual job seeker is the exhibitor, and they construct displays and also have face-to-face interviews with the employers. So what's really unique about this is that it's like non-traditional.
Yeah.
Usually the employers are there, they have their table, people walk up, have their resumes and disseminate them. But what's really wonderful, and employers love it, is the fact that now the job seeker has the opportunity to market themselves in a greater way.
And so that means creativity needs to come out.
You got it, you got it. And a lot of people, believe it or not, they're skilled in their craft, they're excellent, but it's a matter of how do I market me? We can market everybody else, but when it comes to us, how do I do that? How do I make myself a superstar? And so we are actually conducting an orientation. Actually, it's going to be on the 19th and the 20th, and we're asking all people, all participants to attend this orientation. And at the orientation, we'll talk about how to actually market yourself. We'll talk about the things that you need to have on that table. We'll talk about those things to pretty much make you shine.
And while we're talking about dates, let's go ahead and put up the information on the screen here in terms of when the actual job fair is. It's not until October.
Correct, correct. The actual event is Friday, October the 5th. We have partnered with the main library to host this event, and we're really happy about that. However, the deadline is the 20th of September. So we're asking all that are interested, please go ahead and register. And if you are interested, send me an email. There's two ways to register, actually three. One way is to actually send me an email and just requesting treynolds@eopa.org, or you actually can visit EOPA, which is 505 Hamilton, or go to the main any main library, any of the libraries.
There's also a number on our screen, 419-242-7304. Is the number that you can call. No, that sounds like it's not right. So you want to correct that?
Right. Well, the number is correct. You can definitely call, but my preference is in terms of requesting a application or a registration form is to send me an email or stop by.
Yeah, send her an email. You know, if you have a question, send the question as well with it, because it doesn't hurt. And really quick, Tiffany, this sounds like really obvious, but if you haven't been in the job market in a long time, you may forget what professional attire is and how to bring a proper resume.
Absolutely. And again, one of the things is when you have a resume, let's put it on resume paper. Yes, white paper is nice, but again, we're shooting for excellence. You know, we're going from good to better to best. And if you want to look your best, it's to place that on resume paper. In addition to that, dressing for success or dressing to impress. Basically, those are the things we'll talk about during the orientation. Because again, I know some people know it, but again, we want to reinforce it. How about that?
All right, Tiffany, that sounds great. And we want to thank you so much for joining us this morning. And hopefully you guys got all of that information. Again, the Economic Opportunity Planning Association of Greater Toledo hosting its annual reverse job fair. Get in on the action.